Hello student, let's see the question. Traits may be dominant or recessive. Okay, so dominant means that is the going to be exhibited student. Recessive do not get exhibit in case of the impure one student. In case of impure means if both are there, so dominant will be exhibit. But in case of both are recessive, then they also exhibit student. So Mendel first cross pure bred tall pea plant with pure bred dwarf pea plant and found that only tall pea plant were produced in the F1 generation. Then he self-crossed the tall plant of the F1 generation and found that tall plant and dwarf plant were obtained in the second F2 generation in 3:1. Mendel said that the traits of darkness of one of the parent pea plant had not been lost. It was merely concealed or suppressed in the first generation to re-emerge in the second generation. He called the suppressed traits of darkness as recessive traits and expressed traits tallness as dominant traits. In this way, Mendel experiment with tall and dark plants so that traits may be dominant or recessive, hence could not be explained by the given cross. So, dear student, let's see the if you are pure tall and pure dwarf you cross student. So, what you are going to get that is hybrid tall student in the F1 generation. Now, you are going to cross this F1 generation plants, F1 generation plants to what will happen in for the F2. So, capital T, small t, this is Punnett square box students. So capital T here is also capital T small t. So capital T capital T capital T small t capital T small t small t small t. Now you see in the F1 generation, you think that in here for F1 generation you cross pure dwarf, no pure dwarf, and here is what pure tall. So now what is happening in F1 generation? You see that is the hybrid tall is there. Now this is going to be the again crossed here. So this is what we are getting student. Ratio we are guessing. Ratio. What ratio? TT ratio. Capital T small t. Ratio small t. So this is 1 ratio 2 ratio 1. So this is what the answer is student. This is so these are the law of independent assortment also it is said student, that is even though here this is the dwarf is suppressed, here this is the tall one, but in the F2 generation it reappear. So this is our required answer. Thank you very much for watching.